Hello, this is Katie and I've got another one of my Relax and Craft subscription box openings for you, and I already have a couple of ideas, so we'll be putting some tutorials on designated to this box. It doesn't have to be this box, but it's nice if it is. So Relax and Craft jewellery making subscription box, designed by the amazing Fleur at Relax and Craft, and this month is amazing because Fleur is, I don't know whether you know Fleur Hastings, she is a chainmail expert. She is an absolute whiz with chainmail, and this month is all about chainmail. I know I've already told you, I'm so excited about it, but let's see what's in the box. So when you get your box, you get your QR codes and everything, so you can link to the Facebook group and to the website, so that you have got everything you need, because you get your tutorials too. So I've already had a look because you know what I'm like. So here we are. We have got our relax part. Well, it's all the relaxing part, isn't it? But I have got some after dinner mint organic infusion tea and some salted caramel biscuits. So you always get your tea and biscuits. Very British, of course, tea and biscuits, but absolutely fantastic. You can buy this from all over the world as well. You don't have to be in the UK. So do take a look at the link below if you're interested, wherever you are in the UK. Not in the UK, in the world. So we've got chainmail. I've already told you that. Oh, I like the colour of that bag. You get your 3 organza bags every month. And we've got our jump rings. So jump rings and chainmail, obviously it's what you need to make your chainmail, and everything is dependent. I'm not a chainmail expert, by the way. Everything is dependent on the size of your jump rings, and usually it's worked out on the internal diameter, the inner diameter, which is your ID. Okay, so your ID on these are 3.75 millimeters, so that's the space inside of the ring, and the WD, that's the wire dimensions, that is a 0.9 millimeter wire. Then you've got things like your AI, and then that's where I get lost. So if you're a chainmail expert, you will know all about it, but if you're not, just take a look at the Relax and Craft website. You'll see lots and lots and lots of chainmail and lots of help and advice. But when you get the box, you get 4 full tutorial videos in any case, so it's worth every penny. Plus you get all the older tutorials, which are well over 150 tutorials now. So we've got our chainmail, we've got it in silver plated, and we've got some bare copper as well, so that's nice because you get the 2-tone. Then we've got findings and some wire. So this is your 0.8 millimeter wire. I can't think off the top of my head what gauge that is. I think it's a 20 gauge. So you've got plenty of wire to be putting things together with, seeing what designs you can make with that, including to go with your jump rings. And then you've got a whole findings pack. So you've got your head pins, you have got your clasps, and you have got your ear wires. So you've got everything you need there to put everything together as well. And of course you've got lots and lots of jump rings. So we've got a huge finding pack. We've got all our jump rings and so many gemstones. So this is definitely my kind of colour tone gemstones. I'm going to get them all out of the packets because these are nicer out of the packets. So you get an amazing, beautiful, look at the chatoyancy on there. So Tiger's Eye has an optical effect where you get the chatoyancy that kind of shimmers across the surface of the gemstone. Absolutely gorgeous. So we've got, that's a 30 millimeter donut. So, and then we've got, oh, I can't open it. There we go. We've got some, wow, stunning Amazonite. Absolutely beautiful. These look like 4 millimeter rounds of Amazonite. So we've got lots, and that's a bit glary, isn't it? Let's just move those bags out of the way a second. There we go. Just out of the, just to the side. so we can see the gorgeous gemstones. We've got our tiger's eye, amazonite. Wow, these are 8mm beads, gemstone beads, and we've got more stunning tiger's eye. These are look at that one. Look at that. It's like an eye. Wow, these are amazing. Let's see if I can get it to. I know we've got the ring light in there, but you can see as that colour just dances around them. Absolutely stunning. So beautiful. So we've got a full strand. These are full strands as well. You don't just get a little bit full. Usually an average strand sort of standard is about 38 centimetres. So, and then we've got gorgeous impression jasper. Absolutely beautiful impression jasper. Like little worlds, aren't they? So we've got all this beautiful, the impression jasper is going to give you that pop of colour. You've got the softness coming from the amazonite and that amazing play with the light on the gemstones in your tiger's eye. So much. I have already got ideas, especially to do with this tiger's eye strand. I've got a really good idea for those. Really something that's doable for everybody. But when you do get a subscription box, as you would expect, you do get your tutorials. Now the tutorials are amazing. I will see if I'm able to pop a picture up of the main tutorial, because there's always a main tutorial and then there are sort of additional tutorials as well as. When you get a box, so you've got all of your bags there as well, and your tea and your biscuits. This is going to be, I am sorry that's so glary, I am going to have such a fun afternoon playing with this lot. So I'm going to put together a little tutorial, but I'm going to join you back in just a few seconds and show you at least one thing that I've made this afternoon. So I'll see you in a few seconds and you can take a little look at what I've made. So far, what did I make with my box? So far, I've made a bracelet and earrings. I've filmed the little tutorials for these, so these will be on my channel the same day that you see this, hopefully. So we have used those beautiful jump rings, the wire, the gemstones to create gorgeous bracelets. So we've created all these little jump ring knots with this, and I just think it's just worked out really beautifully. I've used the bear copper, the tiger's eye and the impression jasper, of course the wire too. And then for the earrings I did add two head pins, but you could make the head pin from the 0.8 wire as well. And we've got the matching earrings with that gorgeous little knot on there too. So like I say, those two tutorials will be on my channel also. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to Relax and Craft, I do have a link just down below the video. You may be able to get your hands on this box if you are quick, if you're watching on the day this is released. There are some spare boxes at the moment. If not, feel free to take a look through my other videos. There are lots and lots of things that I've made with and for Relax and Craft over the last few years, and they never ever disappoint. It's the best value subscription box I've ever had my hands on. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you again soon.